Alright, so this is instruction videos for assembly of Anna's rifle. So right now it's fully assembled. This is all just dry fit together. There's also this little clip that goes right here. You just need to epoxy that in. And yeah, it fits pretty well, just dry fit, but epoxy it in. And everything just needs to be epoxied together or super glued and bonded. But this is how it's going to look when it's fully finished. There's all these little pegs that friction fit it all together. So here, I'll show you. This top part doesn't have a peg. You can put one in there, but it's grooved in anyway, so you don't really need it. But let's see. Oh. So you see these little pegs? They just fit right in there. You just kind of squeeze them in. You want to make sure the two surfaces are sanded smoothly, so they match up as close as possible. And then once they're together, just super glue them. So put a little bit super glue between the gap, and then just push them together. And that's pretty much it for the whole thing. So the barrel, it's all these pegs, and it really doesn't matter which one you get and where, but the bottom barrel is actually clipped on like this, so just snaps on right there. Let's see. So you need to actually put this part in first. This part in. I sanded it a bit so it should fit smoothly in there, but just put that part in first and then clip this on. The back part actually has 1/2-inch cubes holding it all together. You just really got to take some force and pull it apart or push it together, either or. All the pegs are already friction fit in, so you shouldn't have to sand them anymore, but if you want a little bit of an easier fit, you want to sand the actual pegs. But that's pretty much it. These just need to be, the parts that don't have a peg just need to be super glued together or onto it. Everything else just friction fit it together, then super glue it, put just a little dab and then clamp them together. And then for the actual gap, you know, put like a little bit of Bondo and hide that gap. Always make sure to like sand between the gaps first though before you do all this, because you'll get a lot better finish. But yeah, that's all. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.